I wanted to do a really quick video of the Rockler Cutting Board Template. Just picked this up. It looks pretty cool. I've been wanting to do handles and cutting boards for a long time, and I've made a lot of cutting boards, but I've never actually cut any handles into them. This template will make it really nice because it lets you do up to 4 different ones. Anyway, stick around for the video. I'll do a quick review of this, let you know my impressions, and as always, check out my website at woodlogger.com. And after the video, if you like this video, be sure you hit subscribe and like. So I wanted to call out real quickly the template. In my case, I'm going to use this little triangle hole that I'm going to cut into my cutting board. It's a really thick plastic. I really like what they've done here. The template comes with these 4 little aluminum pins that you drop in, and they start out of a spacing of 1 inch, and then they increment to 1 1/4 and then 1 1/2. So when I get the pins in, I'll actually lay that on my board so that it's flat. And then after that, I'm going to apply some stick-it dots that Rockler has. You could use any kind of 2-way tape, I suppose. But I went and picked up some of these. So I'll apply those over my template so that it doesn't move around on the wood as I'm cutting it. So I'm going to work on that next. Hey, so real quick before I start routing out the handle on my cutting board, I wanted to point out that the kit does not include a 3/8" spiral bit, so we need to pick that up separate. I've gone ahead and installed my guide bushing on my plate, and also wanted to point out that the instructions say to only route 1/4 of an inch deep as you're going along. So I'll route 1/4 inch, clean it out, lower it, do another 1/4 inch until I'm all the way through. So in my case, I've got a 3/4 inch board, so I'm gonna have at least 3 passes. So I'm gonna work on that next. All right, guys, so there it is. I've got my handle all routed out of my cutting board. It turned out great. I've got 3 other choices that I could have chose from. So I'll definitely be using this and probably mixing it up a little bit. The only advice I might give on the template was great, was on the stick-em dots that I used from Rockler. And you can use 2-way tape if you want. Originally, when I put it on there, I used maybe 3 or 4 of the dots. And what I noticed was that it moved just a little bit on me. So I went back and just really tripled up on the dots because I didn't want to take a chance of ruining the board. So anyways, if you like this video, be sure you hit like and subscribe. And as always, check out my website at woodlogger.com where I'll post more detailed information about this project and other projects I have going on in my shop.